Kain tayo. I got rice. I got the egg. What is it called, the egg? It's not sunny side up egg.
It's over easy, bitch.
Over easy egg, apparently. And then my suka and patis. And then my soft-boiled egg na nilagyan ko na ng pepper and salt. And then my coffee. It's gonna be a great day.
A cup of coffee in the morning.
Guys, good morning. It's 10 in the morning and I am on my way para sa third corona vaccine, bali booster shot siya, and I'm gonna be having Moderna, and yeah, I hope hindi ganun kataas yung line kasi ang ginao pa naman. Malapit na kami. Hello guys, natapos na din ako sa aking vaccine, third vaccine, the booster, and apparently if it's the third vaccine, you're only gonna get half of the dose, so you don't feel that, you know, much sick or something like that. But anyway, the first two vaccines I had fever, but that was it, and then a little bit of headache. But then this time I don't think so I'm gonna have those because as she said, it is less of the dosage that you usually get. So anyway, it was okay, it was fine. It was actually funny because no, I think it's just funny. No, it's because before I went there, I was like making a joke like, oh, I'm gonna speak English there with an English accent, even if I've never been to UK, I've never been to those places, but you know, you just make fun of it, right? So I went in there and I was like, hi, could you speak English to me, please? And it was just funny because it was meant as a joke. And then the woman, she's pure Danish, and she started talking to me in English, you know, with an English accent. And yeah, she was explaining things I couldn't have. I just started laughing, right? And then later on, the normal words are coming out, and then she also changed her accent to the normal way of how Danish speak. Hi, could you please speak to me in English so I will understand everything?
Nobody liked that laugh.
Yeah, but anyway.
Fuck, that laugh is annoying him.
No, I think it was so funny, and the way she explained to me, okay, of course, have you read all the guidelines? Have you? Did you understand everything? And I'm like, no, not really, because it's in Danish.
Still the scream laugh. Nobody likes it.
No, really, and then the way she was speaking,
Nobody likes
shut
it.
up, and the way she was speaking to me like, okay, first I have to ask you this question, are you pregnant? And it's just, it's so funny. Are you pregnant? Are you breastfeeding? And I'm just like, no. And really, it's just, and then later on, really, the real accent is coming up, and then she also changed, and we just laugh at the end. Yeah, but anyway, that was it, guys. I'm done with my third vaccine. I'm okay, I'm good, and the sun is shining. It's so nice, but it's, even if the sun is shining, it's so cold. Ow, my hair. Yeah. So anyway, the sun is shining, but the outside is so cold. It is, I don't know, -2. Yeah, I'll show you. Very nice weather today. Very nice if you're inside the car. Not so nice when you're outside. Nasa bahay na kami, guys, and I'm so hungry. It is, anong oras na ba? Hindi ko talaga, ano siya, 12, yes, 12 na ng hapon. And I'm hungry, and I will make a Filipino breakfast, not breakfast, I don't know, kasi hindi pa ako nag-breakfast, guys. And then I saw a video of another YouTuber, a Filipino. He was making you know, ganito with mixed with egg. Kaya gagawin ko. And then may rice din ako. So that's gonna be what I'm gonna be making today. And yeah, I think it's gonna be great. Asa na ba? Saan ko ba siya dapat ilagay? Lagay ko muna dito yung mga hiwain ko. I'm so hungry actually. No, I'm gonna make another. Lagay natin pala sa ganito. I'm so hungry, eh. There. Tapos yung pagkain ko is leftover, yung rice leftover from yesterday. Ewan ko ba kung gagawin ko rin siyang fried rice. Let's see. Pero ito na muna. There. Anong araw ba today? Today is January 6, Thursday. And bukas, work na naman tayo. Friday, Saturday, Sunday work. Tapos Monday, day off. Yeah, I think it's enough na. Ganyan. Ay, ginoo. Tapos, ganito din. Lahat na ilalagay ko. Ay, I'm so hungry. Kasi ano, di ba? Kadarating lang namin and I had a booster vaccine, Moderna. And it's nice kasi tapos na siya. So I don't have to think about it anymore. And ano lang, parang walang effect, guys. Walang effect kasi less pala ang dosage noon. Kain tayo nito. By the way, guys, yung pagluluto ko, huwag nyo akong i-bash ha, kasi niluluto ko lang siya ayon sa tingin ko ay tama. Kasi dito sa bahay, I mean, nung nasa Pinas ako, yung nagluluto talaga is yung sister at yung mama ko. And then, pagdating ko dito sa Denmark, yung nagluluto naman talaga is yung asawa kong si Martin. Ano, magaling siya magluto. He love cooking. So, taga-kain lang ako at taga-linis. Pero minsan talaga, like now, nagluluto ako pag nag-crave ako ng something. Basta yan na yan. Perfect na yan. Out now with this. Oh my God. By January 15, may holiday ako na ititake ko siya. Pero I don't think we're gonna travel, nothing like that. Kasi nga, yung corona is super high na naman yung numbers. So, we're gonna be just staying at home and it's also nice para, alam mo yung para ma-organize ko lahat dito. Tapos yung makatulong rin ako dun sa aming tiny house para matapos na din talaga. So, I have starting January 15 until, kailan ba? Basta 9 days straight na wala akong trabaho. So, yan. And then, what else do I want here? Ito din pala. Ang luma na nito, but okay. If it works, it works. Oh my God, my eyes. There. Buti at may itlog kami. Ay! Gusto ko sana pumunta sa Copenhagen kasi nandun yung mga Asian store and I really wanna buy, you know, yung mga tocino, mga ganyan. Walang oras. Ay! Maybe when I'm on vacation na yung holiday, baka makapunta ako doon. Kasi yung Copenhagen, guys, it is like 1 hour drive from here. Tapos andun yung mga bilihan ng mga Asian store, ganyan. Bilihan ng mga Asian, bilihan ng mga products na pang Asian. So, yun. Get 1 pepper, salt, out you got there. What's next? Ano ba? Okay, ito pala. There. Lagay ko muna dyan. At tapos, oh, wait lang. Dalawang itlog ang ilalagay ko. And itong 2 eggs, guys, ang liliit ng mga itlog. Sobrang liit. Ganyan. Pero minsan naman nakakabili tayo ng medyo malaki-laki, pero ito yung supply nila ngayon sa sa market. Ang liliit. It's fine. At least may itlog. There. Out na muna yan. Ano pa pa? Yes. There. Ang itlog. Lagay na muna natin dyan. So, yan na ang aking ingredients, guys. Ganyan lang. There. Tapos, pepper and asin. 2 itlog. Onions. Tomato. Tapos ito. Parang luto na siya, pero gusto ko pa rin na parang, parang ma-overcook konti. So, but it's yummy. See? There you go. Wait lang. I'm so happy. Ang sarap. Decided na yung rice ko, ipa-fry ko na rin para perfect, talaga, Filipino food. So, oil muna konti. Nilinis ko na to, ha. Okay na siya. Konting ganyan lang, para hindi ganun ka-oily. Tapos, painitin na muna natin. There. My God, I'm so hungry. Ewan ko ba kung kakain si Martin. Pero, I mean, he got his own food. Yung kinain namin last night, fricadela tawag nun. Pero sa atin sa Pinas, it's bula-bula. Yung, alam niyo na, grind meat, ganyan. Pero masarap din naman siya. Pero, ngayon talaga gusto ko. Pero yung partner nila noon, nung bula-bula, partner nila noon is patatas. Ganyan. Tapos, may brown sauce, ganyan. Pero sa akin, nung pag kinakain ko yan, normally, parang nasa Pinas lang din, with rice, and then soya, calamansi, ganyan. Soya, calamansi, toyo, kaya calamansi. So, may leftover nun. So, I think that's what he's gonna eat because I don't think he will eat this. Pwede niya i-try, pero I don't think he will enjoy. Aha. Lagay na natin yung rice. Leftover ng, yes, kahapon ng gabi. Kasi guys, ganito yan. Ang laki ng rice cooker ko. And, ang laki. Kaya, pag nilagyan ko siya ng sobrang konting rice lang nagagawin ko, feeling ko, kaya nasisira yung rice cooker ko. Kasi every year, nagpapalit ako ng rice cooker because I think yun, sobrang liit ng rice na nilagay ko. So, right now, 2 cups na ng rice nilalagay ko. And then, yung mga leftovers, sinisave ko. So, yun. Okay din. Para may makain tayo tonight. Ano na ba? There. Lagyan natin ng onion powder. Sobrang easy lang. Onion powder, ganyan. Lagyan din natin nito. Ito yung parang kung tamad-tamad ka magluto ba, yung mga shortcuts. Tapos lagyan natin ng salt. There. Pepper. Tapos, ukay-ukay. Ikasan natin ito. Gusto ko talaga yung parang toasted, yung rice. So, I know it's okay now, pero gusto ko pa rin ng more. Yumsy. Oh, ano na siya guys. It's ready. So, kakain na tayo. Sobrang, oh my God, I'm so excited for this. Yon, maglinis na muna ako. But before that, mamaya na ako maglinis guys. Kain muna ako. Ito yung parang leftover namin yesterday. Kakain pala si Martin, sasabay siya sa akin. So, this is the 2 leftover bola-bola. So, I just have to heat it up sa microwave. 45 seconds, sabi niya. And then, he will eat with me. There. Oh my God.